This is a paper that I recently published. This paper contains several tables, each of which contains numerous crystallographic parameters, with their uncertainties shown in bracket notation. The program that I will demonstrate today will enable us to extract these parameters and convert them to bracket notation. The original source of these parameters is a program called GSAS-II, which is used to analyze powder X-ray diffraction data. Every time the program calculates, it automatically generates a text file, which contains the parameters and their uncertainties. Originally, the only way to extract these values was to copy and paste them and manually convert them into bracket notation. Considering there are over 100 such parameters in my paper, this was too slow and prone to error. So I wrote a Python program to streamline this process. When run, the user is prompted to select the required file. The program then extracts the parameters and converts them to bracket notation. Python then saves the parameters to a CSV file and opens the file using Excel so they can be easily copied and pasted to the manuscript.